Hey guys, is there an update on the new Clifford the Big Red Dog TV show that's coming out in 2019? Well, sadly there's not, but I'm going to be redoing the announcement video. So basically, it was announced on May 16th, 2018 that there would be a new series on 100 Chickens would be one of the studios. I kind of found that funny. But let's not go down that road. So basically, let's not go down the road. Okay? So, shut up, Josh. Anyways, I'm blind, so anyways. Hey, Reboot was announced on May 16th, 2018. Oh, wait, did I get that right? Yes, I did. Thank you. By Scholastic. And will premiere in late 2019. Alright, so the studios that, who are going to be making the film, making the series is Scholastic, Brown Bag Films, and 100 Chickens. I thought that funny. Will produce the series. So once again, it was announced on May 16th of this year that there would be a reboot by Scholastic and Brown Bag Films and 100 Chickens. Okay, that's all we know about it. Now, if we go, so let's get out of here.
Clifford the Big Red Dog. Clifford the Big Red Dog. Clifford the Big Red Dog left parent TV series 2000-2. Clifford the Big Red Dog Scholastic heading. Clifford the Big Red Dog. Clifford the Big Red Dog left parent. Clifford 8x8 10 facts about Clifford the Big Red Dog vertical bar mental floss head. Clifford the Big Red Dog TV review comments at Clifford the Big Red Dog turns 50 left parent and human years right parent NPR heading. Graphic the top search. Context menu to navigate, press up or down arrow, view, undo unavailable, view, application menu, space. Thumb 2, Z19, space, dot S, V, V, S, S, E, I, E, S, dot 6, dot C, I, M, D, B.
Now if we go to IMDB.
Heading level, search web, Clifford the Big Red Dog left. Enter, Clifford the Big Red Dog.
So if we go to IMDB.
Clifford the Big result up with Roger Bumpus, Emily, result options button menu collapsed. Clifford the Big Red Dog left parent 2000 with the result up visited heading let enter.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and look at this. Just
link graphic link submit search button. Clifford the Big link series Saturday visited Saturday June 8th. 2019.
Okay, so they're having their release date set as the series premiere on Saturday, June 8th of 2019. Now, whether that's for sure or not, I don't know. But there's one episode called Clifford Eats a Dog Food. Now, Clifford the Big Red Dog, this is just...
Link Emily A. Fisher, link Mark visited, link see full cast and crew, space.
Okay, so we're going to go to see full cast and crew.
Clifford the Big Red Dog submits or edit page.
Okay, hang on, I'm gonna...
Link India spotlight, link Clifford heading left full cast heading left table, link left parent 1 episode, 2019, link John Byron, left link Doug Boland, series right in credit, series cast heading left table, link graphic Roger, link Rod, Clifford the Big Red Dog.
Okay, so, apparently this is what they have for the cast. They have Roger Bumpus as Clifford the Big Red Dog.
Link 1 episode, link graphic Emily A. Fisher.
They have Emily Fisher as Emily Elizabeth. Okay, so they have Emily Fisher as Emily Elizabeth. Now, whether all of this is true or not, I'm going to go by this because IMDB is usually right. But, like I said, it's just like the idea wiki, so I don't even know. So, we're going to find out.
Link 1 episode. Link graphic Martin Sherman.
Martin Sherman would be the narrator. So apparently this time around it would have a narrator named Martin Sherman. And Noel Johansson. Jeez. She is going to be, he or she is going to be the police officer. Whether this is all true or not, but I don't know. Michael Grimm, I think, is going to be there, I guess. I don't know who that is. But I don't. And that's all they got.
Black table link Doug and exam producer left link Bobby produce link the so link Rod exec link Dev exec link Scott so link need exec link the produce link Jim producer table black heading level 4 series music by black table link Matt left pair link and left pair link men left pair link phase left pair in 1 episode twin table black heading level 4 series link Jen left pair in 1 link Jen low Doug left pair black heading level 4 link Sarah and left pair black heading black table link post dash production supervisor.
Okay, I'm gonna go back. See if I can.
Link Steve Boys with
Dang it.
Clifford the big link Clifford the big head black table link the left pair in 1 episode link tape black head black link edit list add link sign in with face list of list add link follow link follow link help vertical black link graphic IM list of 4 black list add link watch black link community black app link news. Clifford the big red
Okay,
dog
there we
left
go.
parent TV series link graphic m/m Clifford the link TV series Saturn visited link episode 1 episode animated.
Okay, this is basically what it says about it. It says an animated TV series based on the book, popular children's book series, Clifford the Big Red Dog. Okay.
Black heading level 3 link Kristen Bell's favorite quote around the web powered by Zerg.
So basically, it doesn't really say anything else about it. It just says, literally, that it's basically based off of the books of the same name. So, either Clifford the Big Red Dog, this reboot, is going to take place on Birdwell Island, or it's going to be something else. I don't know, but IMDB says something cool about the series. Reveals some of the cast, supposedly. I don't know if this is real or not, but if it is, then oh my gosh, we are getting some pretty cool news. So, with that said, I'm leaving. Goodbye.